Welcome to English Essays. Get access to quality essay that help you score. Today we will learn about 500 words essay on pollution. This can be helpful for students in primary school as well as secondary school. You can also take help of this essay if you are a postgraduate student. Pollution is described as the introduction of harmful materials into the environment. These harmful materials are called pollutants. Pollutants can be natural, such as volcanic ash. They can also be created by human activity, such as trash or runoff products by factories. Pollutants damage the quality of air, water, and land. Many things that are useful to people produce pollution. Cars release pollution from its exhaust pipe. Burning coal to create electricity pollute the air. Industries and homes generate garbage and sewage that can pollute the land and water. Pesticides, chemicals and poisons used to kill weeds and insects seep into waterways and harm wildlife. All living beings on earth, starting from the smallest of microbes to the largest of blue whales, depend on the earth's supply of fresh air, water and other resources. When such resources are polluted, all forms of life are under attack. There are mainly three types of pollution, such as air pollution, water pollution and land pollution. Air pollution can be man-made or natural. Not every time man-made air pollution is intentional. Dating back to 1984, an accident at a pesticide plant in Bhopal, India, killed more than 8,000 people within days and left several affected, and the impact of this air pollution had affected generations after generation. Air pollution can be caused by natural ways such as volcanic eruption and wildfires. However, the main cause of air pollution is due to humans. The burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil and natural gas contributes to the majority of air pollution. The adverse effect of air pollution could be shortness of breath, lung cancer, respiratory disease, etc. Air pollution can also lead to environmental issues such as acid rain. Water pollution claims hundreds of human life as well as marine life each year. Contamination of water can be seen in some cases, whereas one could be misguided to recognize polluted water. Every year, drinking contaminated water claims 4,000 lives of children around the world. The reason of water pollution can be natural as well as caused by human activities. There are chances of leakage of natural resources such as oil and natural gas into the ocean. This can pollute the water, making it unsafe for human and marine life. The main reason of water pollution due to human activities are exposure to harmful chemicals from factories direct to the water bodies, untreated sewage, use of fertilizers and pesticides for farming, dumping of garbage and plastic in rivers and oceans. Drinking or exposure to polluted water can be fatal. It can also cause long-term damages to our bodies. The major reason for land pollution and landfills such as dumping of garbage, plastic bags, cans, glass, etc. and the use of pesticides and fertilizers for agricultural needs. Land pollution is equally harmful as air and water pollution. It affects life slowly as the fruits and vegetables we eat absorbs the pesticides and fertilizers used to raise it. The same chemicals react within our body and make us fall sick, and in adverse cases, one can experience severe diseases such as digestive problems, cancer, and other organ failure issues. Solution: the government and people around the world are working together to reduce pollution. There has been a surge in the recycling of wastes that has eventually reduced landfills and ocean garbage. With an effective waste management system, today recyclable wastes are separated and sent to factories for recycling. Factories are restricted to emit harmful gas and are required to filter chemicals and smoke before releasing it. There is also a ban on throwing garbage in water bodies in many places. It is a joint effort of humans around the world that can gradually reduce all forms of pollution to make our earth a better place to live. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more English essays.